Hi guys, I'm Niveta. In this video, I'm going to teach you based on the topic of double integration. Okay, I have already uploaded one video which is a very basics of the double integration. Now we are going to see the next version of double integration. Okay, which is integral over 2 to a integral over 2 to b dx dy divided by xy. Okay, this is your question. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to consider this as my I. I is equal to integral over 2 to a integral over 2 to b dx dy. So first what I'm going to do is I'm going to convert my x alone, which is what I'm trying to tell you is integral over 2 to a. Keep this as it is. Okay. Then bring that 1 by y outside. Okay. And put one bracket, and here integral over 2 to b will come. Okay. Dx by x will come into dy will come. Okay. So what I have done is I'm just I'm just splitting I'm just considering this everything into x. Understood? So I'm just keeping apart every y values and all. So the next step would be like integral over 2 to a 1 by y. So integral over dx by x will give you what? Log x. Understood? So log x, the limit will be like 2 to the lower limit is 2 and the upper limit will be like b into dy will come. Okay, then what you have to do? You have to substitute the upper limit minus lower limit. So it will be like integral over 2 to a 1 by y into log b minus log 2 into dy will come. Understood? Then I can convert this thing. Okay, I can convert log b minus log a, like integral over 2 to a 1 by y into log of b by 2. I can convert that into division, right? Log into dy. Understood? Then what I can do is here the integral, the log of b by 2. This term is a constant, right? Actually, this term is a constant. So you can bring this outside. So it's like log of v by 2, and then bring every other terms like integral over 2 to a 1 by y into dy in one common bracket. Okay. And then what you can do is log of b by 2 I'm keeping as it is. Then I'm integrating this dy by y will give you what? Log y. Okay, substitute this upper limit and lower limit. Here the lower limit is 2, the upper limit is a. Okay. And then what you have to do is you have to substitute here. So then what I'm doing is I'm keeping this constant like log of b by 2, and then log a minus log 2 will come. Then what? Log of b by 2 into log of a by 2 will come. Understood? So I'm just converting this minus log like this. Okay, so here the double integral value would be like log of b by 2 into log of a by 2. See this question, what you are doing is you are just separating this value. You are just separating the bracket with the x terms, and you are doing that integration and substitution part everything, and then you are bringing this constant outside, and then you are integrating the remaining terms. That's it. Okay. Then we are going to see another problem, which is integral over 0 to 3 into integral over 0 to 2 e power x plus y into dy into dx. Okay. So what I'm going to do is, first of all, I'm going to split this e power x plus y into e power x into e power y. Okay. So keep this limits and all same, integral over 0 to 3, integral over 0 to 2, then e power x into e power y into dy into dx. Okay. Then what will happen is you can just split it into two. Like last problem, we don't need to do. Okay, so what I'm going to do is integral over 0 to 3 e power x dx. I'm splitting like this. And then I'm keeping that another term as integral over 0 to 2 e power y dy. Here we have not given mention like this would be this limit should go to x, this limit should go to y, that and all they have not given. So it's our wish to put any limits to n, whether it's x or y. Okay. So if you integrate e power x now, again you are going to get e power x. The lower limit is 0, the upper limit would be like 3. Then if you integrate e power y dy, you'll be getting like e power y, the lower limit is 0, upper limit is 2. If you substitute, you will get e power 3 minus e power 0, understood, into e power 2 minus e power 0. Okay. Then e power 0 value is what? 1. So it will be like e power 3 minus 1 into you are having e power 2 minus 1. Understood? This would be a value of the integration. See, you are having a question like this. You are splitting that into e power x into e power y, and you are splitting that terms and that limits everything like this. And then you are integrating, and then you are substituting that upper limit minus lower limit. You are getting this value. Understood? So then we are going to see another problem. Okay, which is integral over 0 to 1, integral over 0 to 2, xy square into dy into dx. Okay. So first thing what I am going to do is I'm going to split x and y terms. In future integration and all, we can't get terms like x separate, y separate like that. Okay. See this problem. Integral over 0 to 1 x into dx. This is one term. Okay. Then integral over 0 to 2 y square into dy. This is another term. X, if you integrate no x into dx, you will be getting like x squared by 2. The limit will be like 0 to 1. That is, there is a formula like if you integrate x power n, you will get x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Okay. Likewise, if you integrate x power n, you will get x squared by 2. That is x power 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1. Then these two are in multiplication. Okay. If you are having y square means what you have to do is y cube by 3 will come. The limits will be like 0 to 2. Then what you have to do is you have to substitute the values like 1 by 2 minus 0 into 2 cube by 3 minus 0. Understood? It will be like what? Um, it will be like 1 by 2 into 2 cube is what? 2 cube is actually 8. 8 by 3. If you cancel, you will get 4, which is 4 by 3. So actually, double integration means it's finding area one. Okay. So you are getting an answer like 4 by 3. Here what we have done is we have separated the x values as well as y values, and separately we are integrating. That's it. Understood? So in future problems, we may see some other terms. The limits will be like different. Okay. Thank you for watching.